Teak, aluminum, or Rattan, which one's actually the most durable for auto furniture? Let's break it down real quick. So teak, it is hardwood, super tough, and naturally resistant to water and bugs. You can literally leave it outside for years, and it still looks amazing. Just turns that cool, silver gray over time. If you like that natural, cozy, earthy vibe, teak is for you. Just be ready to spend a bit more and maybe oil it once a year if you want to keep the golden color. Then there is the aluminum. Light, clean lines, super modern. It won't rust, and you barely have to maintain it. Just wipe it down and you're done. It is great for people who like to rearrange their space a lot or hating doing chores. Just watch out. Cheap aluminum can dent, and it can get hot under the sun. Now, Rattan. It is that woven stuff that looks like wicker, but it is plastic. Polyethylene, to be exact. It is weather resistant, lightweight, and way cheaper than teak or aluminum. You will see it a lot in beach resorts or lounge setups. It is not the most eco-friendly, but if you're furnishing a big space on budget, it totally makes sense. So what's the best? Teak, if you love nature and don't mind a little care. Aluminum, if you want modern and zero stress. Rattan, if you need style, comfort, and value. And if you want all three, wow, you know where to find us. cgoutdoor.com. We have got you covered.